When I stand on the edge of a mountain, I realize how tiny my life and my problems are. Life is so much bigger than just sitting behind a desk or a computer. We are so busy making a living that we forget to make a life. Because in the end, you won't remember the time spent working in the office. There's a whole wide world out there. So pack your backpacks and get your best friend and just go out there.
बिना खुद की बातें बोले ओके ना खेल रहे ऊपर के ओके नीचे तक गिर रहा है काफी।
Life is short and the world is wide. So come join me and watch as I explore the land of clouds, Meghalaya.